Advancement ultra-thin tech to revolutionize night vision, we have made the invisible visible. Dr. Rocio Camacho Morales says the analysts have made the undetectable noticeable. May there be light. Super dainty film could one day be utilized on understanding glasses. Scientists from the Australian National University, ANU, have grown new innovation that permits individuals to see plainly in obscurity, changing night vision. The first of its sort slender film, portrayed in another article distributed in Advanced Photonics, is super reduced and one day could deal with standard glasses. The scientists say the new model tech, in light of nanoscale gems, could be utilized for guard, just as making it more secure to drive around evening time and heading back home into the evening. The group additionally say crafted by police and safety officers, who consistently utilize night vision, will be simpler and more secure, decreasing ongoing neck wounds from right now mass night vision gadgets. We have made the undetectable noticeable, lead specialist Dr. Rocio Camacho Morales said. Our innovation can change infrared light, ordinarily undetectable to the natural eye, and transform this into pictures individuals can obviously see, even at distance. We've made an extremely slim movie, comprising of nanometer-scale precious stones, many occasions more slender than a human hair, that can be straightforwardly applied to glasses and goes about as a channel, permitting you to find in the murkiness of the evening. The innovation is amazingly lightweight, modest, and simple to mass produce, making them available to ordinary clients. At present, very good quality infrared imaging tech requires cryogenic sticking to work and is expensive to create. This new tech works at room temperatures. Dragomir Neshev, director of the ARC Center for Excellence in Transformative Meta-Optical Systems, TMOS, and ANU professor in physics, said the new tech utilized metasurfaces, or slender movies, to control light recently. This is the first run through any place on the planet that infrared light has been effectively changed into apparent pictures in a super slim screen, Professor Neshev said. It's a truly energizing turn of events and one that we realize will change the scene for night vision for eternity. The new tech has been created by a worldwide group of specialists from TMOS, ANU, Nottingham Trent University, UNSW, and European accomplices. Mohsen Rahmani, the leader of the Advanced Optics and Photonics Lab in Nottingham Trent University's School of Science and Technology, driven the improvement of the nanoscale gem films. We recently showed the capability of individual nanoscale precious stones, yet to abuse them in our regular day-to-day existence we needed to defeat tremendous difficulties to mastermind the gems in a cluster style, he said. While this is the main verification of idea test, we are effectively attempting to additional development the innovation.